So previously I have fetched the data of top 20 rows of the deliveries table. Now in the same way the next query involves fetch the data of top 20 rows of the matches table. So the entry will be same. There will be only one change. Then in the case of deliveries, we are going to replace deliveries with matches. Otherwise everything is going to be same. So the same command with matches, and we are going to run this. Now we are going to see the matches table, but only the top 20's entries of matches table. So the next query that I have to write is about fetch data of all the matches played on 22nd of May 2013. Now in this I particularly have to fetch the matches which are played on 22nd of May of 2013. So we are going to we are given a date, a particular date for which we have to fetch the details of matches. In this case we are going to use the where command. Where command is basically used when we have to find a particular data from the data set. So in this we have used the where command. With that I have used a date. Date equals to, it means, but because I have given a particular date, that's why date equals to, now I am going to mention the date 22nd of May of 2013, and rest everything will be the same. Like select everything from matches. Matches is the name of the table from which I want the data, where date is equals to 2/5/2013. Now I am going to run this. Perfect. We are going to receive the information of the matches which are going to play particularly on 22nd of May of 2013. Just check this. Okay. So now the next query. The next query which I have to write is regarding fetch data of all the matches where margin of victory is more than 100 runs. Now in this as well I have given a specified entry, like I have to only fetch details of the matches where the margin of victory is more than 100. So in this as well, as you have guessed it rightly, we have to use where command. Select everything from matches. Again, matches is the name of the table from where I have to fetch the details. Again where command, because I have to find the particular details. Result margin. Result margin is that which is given in the equation. Margin of victory, it is the same as result margin in our table, is greater than symbol, because we have to find a greater than thing, and it is greater than what? The number which is provided to us is 100. So select everything from matches table where result margin is greater than 100. Now again I am going to run this. Perfect. I am going to receive all this data where the result margin is more than 100. And how you can check this out? See, this is what a result margin column, and in this column you can see that all these values are greater than 100, because this we have mentioned because we want that particular data where result margin is greater than 100. So you can check this out. Perfect. Now the next query. Next query is fetch data of all the matches where the final scores of both teams tied and order it in descending order of date. Now in this query it is a little bit tricky, because we have to make use of two commands simultaneously. Like first of all we have to find the data of all the matches where final scores of both the teams is tied, and second is that we have to order it in descending order of date. So in that case we first of all going to write the same command. Select everything from table matches, where command, because of course we want a particular data. Now in this first of all we want that result equals to tie. This is our first thing which we have to mention, and second command is that we have to order them in date order and in descending order. So we can say order by date, because we want to arrange our data by date sequence, and we want it in ascending or descending. As we want it in descending, so we are going to mention DESC. It is a symbol for descending. If it's ascending, in the same manner we are going to write AESC for ascending. So now let's run this. Yes, see, we receive all the data where the result is equals to tie. See, result is tie. So it means we are getting the correct result. Okay. Now the last query of this is given by get the count of cities that have hosted an IPL match. So this one also is a bit trickier one, because we have to find the count of the cities that have hosted the IPL matches. So in this, first of all we want to select. Now in all of the above statements we are going to select everything. for everything we write this star symbol, but in this query we particularly have to select the city column of that.